Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best wireless backup cameras on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is LeeKooLuu LK3 HD 1080p backup camera with monitor kit. Plug and play, very easy installation. The system is powered by connecting to reverse lights for use when the vehicle is in reverse gear, or can be powered by directly connecting to a 12V source fuse box or cigarette lighter / power point / ignition switch for continuous use. Upgraded IP69 waterproof. High performance waterproof. Never worry about water inside the camera. Color HD license plate camera with 149-degree viewing angle and 6 white LED lights provide crystal clear color both at night and day. Camera is connected to monitor via direct wire, provided. Multifunctional 4.3-inch LCD display menu. You can adjust the parking lines' width, moving left / right / up / down to make it fit for the real condition. You can also turn it off if you do not want it. The image can be flipped between mirror, rear view, and facing, front view. You can use the camera as a rear camera or front camera optional. 4.3-inch LCD display monitor equipped with magnetic bracket. You can rotate it 360 degrees and can mount the monitor on dash or windshield. Number 2. Our second best pick is DoHonest HD 1080p digital wireless backup camera kit. With digital wireless transmission, it delivers a stable image without any interference from other signals such as Bluetooth. Equipped with a great sensor, the camera provides vivid pictures, which restores what you see behind your vehicle directly. We suggest using this kit on vehicles under 36 feet for reversing use or under 30 feet for continuous use. There is no need to run wires from the monitor to the camera because of the wireless signal's transmission. The monitor base can be disassembled. It can be installed directly on the flat panel or installed on the windshield. You can choose any method to install it. Also, the monitor with two-way video input CH1/CH2. It means this kit supports adding a second same license plate camera or RV camera. If you need it, just contact us to get it. The color shows the same as what you see outside, offering a clear HD 1080p image with a good balance of contrast, color saturation. The TFT monitor offers improved image quality with better contrast and color performance than normal LCD. The waterproof standard of this camera is IP69. The highest and lowest temperature resistance is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lumen rating is 0.1 at low light night. Therefore, whether it is sunny or rainy, hot or cold, day or night, the camera always performs well. The system is compatible with cars, vans, camping cars, trucks, even RVs. Number 3. Our third best pick is AUTO-VOX CS2 wireless backup camera kit. With digital wireless transmission, CS2 delivers a stable image without any interference from other signals such as Bluetooth. Equipped with a PC1058 sensor, the camera provides a vivid picture, which restores what you see behind your car directly. The bigger the camera angle is, the more image distortion you get when the angle is over 110 degrees, which makes 110 degrees golden angle for parking. Together with the adjustable parking lines that fit different heights, camera installation places make CS2 a trusted parking assistant. The waterproof standard of this camera is IP68. The highest and lowest temperature resistance is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lumen rating is 0.1 at low light night. Therefore, whether it is sunny or rainy, hot or cold, day or night, the camera always performs well. The suction cup mount allows you to install the monitor on either windshield or dashboard. And there is no wire from monitor to camera, which eliminates the tedious installation process. What's more, because the transmitter is cleverly designed inside the camera, there is no need to install it extra. All of these simplify the installation so that you can easily install it by yourself. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera. No drilling, no wiring, or no professional installation required. To install this wireless backup camera kit, the only tool you need is a screwdriver. Save the installation fee up to $200. SolarOne maintains a charge with sunlight. You only need to charge it once a year with 30 minutes of sufficient sunlight exposure per day. Even in the rainy season, the fully charged battery can last for 2 months of average use, 2 to 3 times per day. SolarOne has a superior low light vision. Even in a completely dark environment, you can reverse or park easily and safely under a low light source like your reversing lights. The 2.4G wireless digital frequency hopping technology prevents it from other wireless signals interference, like radio, Bluetooth, or cell phone. The high-resolution sensor and AMP-6 glass lens ensures high definition and smooth image quality. High compatibility for multiple vehicle types. The signal transmission distance of SolarOne is far enough, so it fits not only small cars but also the most medium-sized vehicles such as pickup trucks, cargo vans, and the small classes of RVs, less than 33 feet. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is AUTO-VOX FHD 1080p RV wireless backup camera. Upgraded FHD 1080p digital wireless backup camera. 984-foot range with no interference for reliable performance on up to 56-foot vehicles. They have 2 versions, bracket adapter and power pigtail outlet wire for Fur-ion pre-wired. Capacitive touch button sensor is more durable and smooth as well as extend the service life. It can take up to 4 cameras. B07QRQ-BNNN camera is compatible with it. Also, you can use the side view bracket B089R9M9XJ as a side view camera. The image is super clear and any distortion is reduced to a minimum. Thus, you will get to enjoy a flawless parking and driving experience. The image could be flipped between mirror, rear view, and facing, front view, backup lines optional to turn on off. Built-in record function and loop recording, continuous record when memory card is full and auto erase old files. Cameras with a very high IP rating of 69. It's very waterproof and weather resistant. It has a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees, the image quality is HD with 18 infrared lights. The screen made by IPS panel, it allows you to see a clear picture at any angle without any reflection or blurring. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.